Hello, I'm Jan Virana, and in this particular video, I'm going to talk to you about internship at chemical engineering plants. So, chemical engineer work in a process plant, R&D institute, and manage various operations to get insight of actual working and application and understanding of your curriculum. It is very important to take internships. So, internship will help you to get you understand how the climate is there when you work over there, so you can apply to any of them upstream, midstream, or downstream industries. You can apply to Reliance, a private industry, a local firm, to get an experience of how chemical engineering plant works. So prior experience and learning during internship is very helpful during a placement and actual visualization of concept. So how are you supposed to apply for it? So in the procedure of applying to get an internship at chemical engineering, I'll be listing you the three. One, the first is through your campus internships. So in my particular campus, Reliance had come to take students for campus internship, and they were assigned one of the project. So during the 2 months, they were paid stipend also, and they get a learning experience also. So please try to apply through the company portals for campus internship. You can apply through various things like college internship, or job portals like Internshala, etc. I would refer that you generally apply through your campus internship. The second one is through your college. So your college might have some MOU or a tie-up with few of the chemical engineering plants, or they might have the students who are running those organizations. So through your college portal, you apply to internship at various chemical engineering plants. And the third, which is most important and quite working, is through your referrals or contact. So if you have got any of your family members, friends who are working in that particular industries like Reliance, IOCL, HPCL, you can ask those people to refer you, so that you can get 2 months internship, and you can get to learn during it. So during chemical engineering internship, so once you get the internship, so don't just roam about, क्योंकि हमने भी किया था. What you do, have fun plus learning. So I'll be talking you about few key aspects that you have to keep in your mind while taking a chemical engineering internship at chemical plant. The first and foremost is to understand the plant processes. For example, you are in a refinery, so you should know few processes like cracking, isomerization, uh, uh, various products. So in brief, you should know about process flow diagrams. You be in a cement industry, you should know how the cement is being processed, the entire process or major processes that is involved in it. Then second thing that I advise you is to take a minor project voluntarily. They might not give you, but what you do, you take a minor project voluntarily. So why I'm telling you this? This is actually helpful during your interview, as you narrow down the area of asking question and answers. So for example, I say I had been working at a refinery. So they'll ask me a lot of questions. They'll ask me isomerization. They'll ask me cracking. They might ask me various properties of various products. So I might not remember everything. But if I say that I take a project of finding out efficiency of an heat exchanger, so most of my question will be coming for the heat exchanger, and I'll have to study a lesser part during my interviews. Then second, the third thing is understanding PNID. So try to understand how process and instrumentation diagram. And the fourth thing is observe the equipments like heat exchanger, column, cooling towers, etc. So because while studying you will just learn the theoretical part, but when you go there you can visualize and understand how those work. And finally, I would recommend that you learn about business of company, so how they are making money. This helps. And after doing all of this, make sure that you prepare a report on the same, because after some point of time of doing internship you might not remember what that plant was doing. So if you prepare a report, this will actually help you during your placement. So during your internship, have fun, observe things, make friends, learn teamwork, and have collaborative skills.